How to clear search history on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the search bar on the bottom of your screen and then tap on search again, and with this, in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view all your search history. So tap on the see all option you see there and you will be able to view all the search history again. So if you want to clear your search history, then tap on the clear all option you see there on the top right of your screen, and when prompted, tap on the clear all option again in the confirmation pop-up, and with this, your search history will be cleared. So this is how you can clear Instagram search history. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.